Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply cosmic video effect in CapCut video editor. Alright, I'm going to open my project here. So there are two photos here, right, which is this second one, the green screen background, and I'm going to remove the green screen. Just click cut out and select chroma key and select color picker, select green color and just border intensity, shadow, click check marks, and I'm going to make it as an overlay. So select overlay and adjust border position in the same duration with another clip like so. And I'm going to apply the cosmic effect to overlay. Just click the overlay and select style, go to vertical and select select cosmic effect. Just wait. Alright, click check marks, and this is the final effect you'll have on your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. So thank you so much for watching.